Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. MATIC continues to be in this correction, should ideally drop a little lower in this yellow third wave there. Yeah, quick reminder, the current assumption is that on the MATIC chart, we completed a 5-wave move to the upside from the September lows. That would be a wave 1 of a larger degree third wave on our long-term chart, visible here. As a channel member, you can access all these charts, also the long-term charts. And the idea would be that in a third wave, the market should follow higher. There are obviously certain support levels that need to hold. Here on the in this current wave 2 correction, it's the 58-cent level. But the idea would be, yeah, we are now in a 1-2 setup in a larger degree third wave. Eventually could take us close to $10, maybe even a little higher. We will be able to determine that along the way. But yeah, looking at the shorter time frame, this is currently this wave 2 correction, which started after the wave 1 topped end of December. The primary scenario suggests that an A wave completed here. That was around the 7th or 8th of January. Then a B wave rally happened and we're now moving down in wave C. Now, to really do that and get this sorted, I need to see 5 waves down, and the price should ideally reach at the very least 73 cents in wave 3 of C, maybe even a little lower. Then we should see a wave 4 and a 5. If we don't even get there and we continue to see only 3 waves down from the 11th of January high, this swing high here, well, I added that today, then it becomes more likely and it would actually look quite good as well, would look better in terms of proportions. You see it here highlighted on the chart in white. It would look quite good to say, maybe this was just the A wave. That's the base case at the moment anyway. But the move up was not yet the B wave, even though it was a 3-wave move. But if we have 3 waves up and 3 waves down, which it might do because this reaction isn't strong enough yet down there to tell me this is what's going on. But if the market breaks out from here above the descending trend line, and especially if we see a small impulse, then I think we're dealing with an extended B wave. Basically, this B wave just extends a little bit. It is even possible that the B wave itself unfolds as a triangle. It's a bit too early to confirm that, but it's possible that this here extends into an A, B, C structure that would actually look quite good. And then we come down in wave C, okay? So that is something I'm observing very, very closely because this would be, from here somewhere, it would be an ideal spot to turn around for it, you know. But for now, I remain focused on the yellow count until the market breaks above the descending trend line, which definitely the wave 4 shouldn't do. It would already be quite aggressive. If it even breaks above, so 83 cents. So we don't want it really to get above 83 cents. If it's doing that, then what I just showed you as an alternative, let's say flat structure in this B wave, in an extended B wave, well, this would then get much more likely, okay? But overall, the idea is that, yeah, you know, if that happens, it would be great for anybody who's looking for entries in the yellow zone, support zone, because if a B wave extends or a B wave occurs and a B wave makes profit available, well, it can be used. I would not trade for a B wave as such just to trade a B wave. They're just not predictable enough for that. But if a B wave makes profits available expectedly or unexpectedly, well, of course, you know, partial profit taking is certainly then useful or could be considered. Yeah, and the resistance area, if we see that extended B wave, it might be that the B wave extends to probably around about $1, maybe even a little higher. Okay, it depends on from where the C wave then starts of that extended B wave. But ultimately, would like to see it go a little lower in this wave 2, and then the third wave should start and send us way higher. But 58 cents remains key support, so we don't want it to go below that level at all, or the overall thesis here of a 1-2 setup in an overall bullish chart will get challenged, yeah, significantly. Yeah, that's at the moment my update about MATIC. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.